architects received only a brief request from the owners, who granted unlimited freedom to design a unique house as if it were theirs. Freed from external constraints, the architects were free to study and develop an architectural style that personally interested them. It is evident that, in the last 5 to 10 years, a certain architectural language in which the external wall and the ceiling converge at an oblique angle is becoming popular, especially in commercial buildings of real estate projects. However, beyond being present on the exterior, this architectural language does not appear in the interior of these buildings, which are still predominantly characterized by a common perpendicular and parallel layout. The architects then conducted studies to assess the possibility of applying this language to other aspects of the design, rather than just for decorative purposes. To make architecture express the language as clearly as possible, it is necessary to start from the plan and structure. Once the language has been successfully integrated into these two areas, the other elements, such as the floor, the wall, the roof, the exterior, and the interior, will naturally conform in harmony with the style. To achieve the ideal version of the architectural language they were seeking, a courtyard was adopted, where sunlight can pass through and rain can fall, serving as the center of the house. With the building structure higher than that of the courtyard, rain will fall from the roof to the courtyard like a waterfall curtain. The second floor of the main building is the area that most clearly expresses our architectural language. The courtyard can be seen and accessed from 4 sides, which are the master bedroom, the master bathroom, the closet, and the terrace. These 4 areas convey the language through their tapering floors, diagonal wall lines, and sloping ceilings that lead toward the courtyard. The entrance zone of the bedroom is large with a higher ceiling, suitable as a living area, while the area further inside the bedroom has a lower and narrower ceiling, giving a proper atmosphere for sleeping. Opening the door to the bedroom, one can feel a stronger than usual attraction coming from the vanishing point, which is a result of the tapering walls and the sloping ceiling that lead to courtyard behind the headboard of the bed. The bathroom consists of a bathtub, which is placed on the courtyard garden side. The roller blinds at the balcony can be rolled down for more privacy. The reception building comprises 2 guest bedrooms, a fitness room, and a terrace. All 3 parts are connected to a courtyard garden, finished with a gravel path and beautiful Cape jasmines as sculptural plants in the center. The main rooms include a gym and 2 bedrooms open to the north, parallel to a swimming pool and a multi-purpose yard. Rooms with other functions, such as a restroom, a dressing room, a steam room, and a shower room for washing before entering the pool, are parallel to the south and serve as a sunlight buffer in the afternoon. Visitors will not see the entire house until they pass through the garage, which serves as the entrance hall. A point of interest and a surreal feeling were created by installing mirrors on both sides of the hall wall in the garage. The reflection results in an infinite illusion, symbolizing a transition between the external public space and the privacy within the home. As visitors prepare to cross the garage, the inclined oblique line of the wall reveals the entire domain of the house with a panoramic view, intentionally created to be perceived at this exact point.